To configure an output object in Axxon Next, go to the Devices tab. If the camera or IP server has a built-in or pluggable digital output, it will be automatically displayed in Object Tree as a child object of that particular device. Select the output in Object Tree. Configuration settings will appear on the right. Enable the output. Enter the output object name if necessary. Output controller address and output ID are set by default. Select the output status, to which it will be set, when no alarm is present. The options are open and closed. You can also change the parent object of the output, by selecting a different camera or IP server. The output object will appear linked to that camera in Object Tree. Click on the Apply button, to save the output object settings. To check the functioning of the output, click the Test button. If the output is configured correctly, its status will briefly change. Configuration of the output object is now complete.